Welcome back. Well, a flood watch continues for all of Acadiana through Saturday evening. It looks like the bulk of the heaviest rains today, maybe additional activity tonight, tomorrow morning. Then things will gradually taper as we get into the weekend, certainly by the end of the weekend and going into next week, back to regular summer. But get used to this wet Thursday, Friday, Saturday pattern. I think it repeats next week. So again, flood watch in effect. Let's get over to the weather wall. And again, storm totals are going to be generally in the 1 to 6 inch range per the National Weather Service, isolated up to 12. And we already have somebody that's got up to 10 inches already. So that's not surprising. And that's over toward the Bell River area, just north of Stevensville. Most of this is out in the swamp, but nonetheless, nearly 11 inches of rain so far in the last 24 hours. And anywhere between 3 to 5 across the eastern sections of Acadiana. Notice not much back to the west, but this map will be building. This updates every half hour. So we'll see anything in yellow here. You're talking 3 to 4 inches of rain more than likely. And Doppler estimates usually underdo what actually comes in the rain gauge. But you can see pretty much as promised, a pretty wet weather system. And the bulk of it now moving into the western portions of Acadiana, where the southeastern portions are getting a little bit of a break that were hit hardest during the course of the overnight hours. And you can see strong showers and thunderstorms all the way up through the I-20 corridor down through central Louisiana. Mostly rain, a few rumbles of thunder, but no severe weather, fortunately. We do have a pretty intense thunderstorm, though, as we get into Allen Parish between Kinder and Oakdale, right along Highway 165. And you can see moderate rains elsewhere. Moderate rains still occurring in Lafayette Parish, but it's starting to tone down over toward the Henderson area, Butte-LaRose. And then the same, we'll say around Franklin, Jeanerette, things quieting down for sure. And it is quieter down into St. Mary Parish here as we get all the way down to where the heaviest rains were from Pierre Park down through Stevensville and the Bell River area. So this is the way it looks on satellite imagery. Again, a big thunderstorm cluster, what we call a mesoconvective complex. This one tropical in nature, so it puts down a lot of rain in a period of time. Notice it's weakening. The cloud tops are warming over us. And then we have this new activity that's developing right where we got a low in Lake Pontchartrain, but on the visible there's another one here, another one here. So this one really never got its act together, but it is delivering on the rainfall. And the question is, will this thunderstorm complex begin to balloon as we head through the overnight hours while this one begins to weaken? They're pretty close together, so it's a tough call. As for additional rainfall, this is just general now per the Weather Prediction Center. 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 5 down along the coast. But again, we're getting it in batches, and it's not coming down at 3 inches an hour for several hours. It's coming down about 1 to 2 inches per hour for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So that's how we've gotten our rain so far, and it's been tolerable, and the rain has been able to, the ground has been able to take it. Now, the risk of excessive rainfall through tonight remains Lafayette on southward, and then maybe shifting back to the west with time. Tomorrow we're in a slight risk category, so that's level 2 out of 4, and then going into Saturday, things toning down. But we still expect a pretty good chance of storms, not only tomorrow, but for Saturday as well. Here's the graph model. We'll see if it's verifying, and it's kind of capturing that big batch of moisture, but it's insisting that things are going to quiet down. It's not picking up on the activity by Pontchartrain. So bottom line, I expect activity to redevelop overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. Then maybe a break during the day tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a little sun during the day, and then scattered showers and thunder showers popping back up as we head into Saturday. But right now, not much rhyme or reason. Activity's moving along, so I'm not expecting major flooding. And the graph model looks like it's absence of some rainfall, but anywhere between 1 to 4 inches of rain will be possible, and we're going to see lots of variability. Here's the moisture that's impacting us right now. We get into Saturday, Sunday. You can see it moving to the east. Then it gets over to the east coast, captures more moisture, and here we go again with another disturbance moving from east to west across the Gulf Rim as we go into later next week. In the near term, showers and thunderstorms tapering early. Could see additional activity developing, especially toward daybreak. 77-year low. Rain chances staying high, 70 to 80% through tomorrow with periods of rain and storms. Some local torrential downpours will continue into the 10-day forecast. We go. We have high rain chances next couple of days. Back to summer early next week, but then another wet period develops toward the end of next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a bit.